My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Tuslamon. This is a new ransomware we discovered recently while researching new submissions to the virus total database. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles, but regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system, and then very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. This particular ransomware encrypts files, and it's just impossible to open the files. The ransomware encrypts them, and then it appends a special extension called crypted to the file names. The ransomware, as you see, also drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't pay it. We recommend that you get rid of this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it through Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com through Internet Explorer browser, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the application, and then after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Well, most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.